Welcome everyone. Running a successful food business isn't just about serving delicious food. It's about knowing your numbers and making every dish profitable. Many restaurants lose money without realizing it because they don't know the actual cost of each recipe. Even small pricing mistakes can reduce your profits. That's where CostMyDish makes the difference. Simply add your ingredients, create your recipes, and let the app calculate your exact food cost automatically. CostMyDish doesn't just calculate recipe costs. It also helps you manage ingredients, monitor food costs, and choose the right selling price for every menu item. Instead of copying your competitors' prices, make decisions based on your own costs. That means healthier profit margins and a stronger business. As ingredient prices change, CostMyDish helps you stay updated so your menu pricing remains accurate and your profits stay protected. Whether you run a restaurant, cafe, bakery, cloud kitchen, catering service, or food truck, CostMyDish is designed to simplify your daily operations. Thousands of ingredients, recipes, and menu prices can be managed from one simple dashboard, giving you complete control over your food business. When you understand your real costs, you can reduce waste, improve efficiency, increase profits, and make smarter business decisions every single day. If you're ready to grow your food business with confidence, download CostMyDish today and start making smarter pricing decisions from your very first recipe.